Alright, so we just got a fresh leak from DroneXL, and it's a big one. DJI's upcoming Osmo Mobile 7 series. We're talking both the standard and pro models, and they're looking pretty slick. Launch is supposedly just weeks away, so let's break down what's new. Starting with the Osmo Mobile 7 Pro, it's rocking a dark gray finish and brings some serious upgrades. The big one? The Pro model's dedicated hardware for subject tracking camera with a built-in fill light. That's a serious step up from DJI's usual software-based tracking, which could mean more reliable subject locking, even in tricky lighting. Maybe even some AI-powered magic in there. Who knows? Then there's a manual focus and zoom wheel on the side of the handle, just like Osmo Mobile 6. If you've ever struggled with smooth zooming or focus pulling on a mobile gimbal, this should make a huge difference. Oh, and the Pro also comes with a telescopic extension arm, kind of an upgraded version of the Osmo Mobile 6's extension rod. Perfect for getting those extra dynamic shots without awkwardly stretching your arm out. It also includes the DJI Mic Mini for improved audio recording while filming or vlogging, but it may have limited external microphone support. Now, if you're looking at the standard Osmo Mobile 7, it seems more like an SE model. That said, we don't have the full spec sheet yet, so we'll have to wait and see what DJI has in store. Anyway, both the 7 and 7 Pro come with DJI's magnetic phone mount for easy setup, a joystick for smooth gimbal control, and quick access buttons for recording and settings. There's also a status display for battery life and connections, plus built-in tripod feet for extra stability. You've got a camera flip switch for fast selfie mode, zoom controls on the side, and of course USB-C charging. Oh, and they're throwing in a carrying pouch too. Nice little bonus. With these leaks, it's pretty clear the Osmo Mobile 7 Pro is getting a big upgrade with hardware-level subject tracking. But aside from that, it doesn't seem all that different from the Osmo Mobile 6. We'll just have to wait and see when the full specs drop. And with the Osmo Mobile 6 recently dropping to €109 in Europe, it looks like DJI is clearing space for this new lineup to take over. Anyway, launch should be right around the corner, so stay tuned for more updates. Catch you in the next one.